Students, good morning students. Today we will discuss one trigonometric substitution in integration. Integration using trigonometric substitution. Integration using trigonometric substitution. Right. We will discuss trigonometric substitution in integration. We write some formula in this case. Before going to the formula, we first use which one will be substituted in which cases. So this is the expression and this will be the substitution. Right. In case of a square minus x square, we use x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta. In case of a square minus x square, x will be taken as a sin theta or x will be taken as a cos theta. In case of a square plus x square, whether it is with root over or without root over, that is not matter to us. So x will be a tan theta, x will be a tan theta or x will be a cot theta. Why? Because if you put x is equal to a tan theta, then it will be a square plus a square tan square theta. A square take it common, 1 plus tan square is sec square theta and its root over is sec theta. So it will be a sec theta, the final value, if you choose x is equal to a tan theta. Similarly, if you choose x is equal to a cot theta, it will be a square plus a square cot square theta. Take a square common, it will be 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So it will be a cosec theta. So the root over of a square plus x square will be a cosec theta. In case of x square minus a square, we put x is equal to a sec theta or x is equal to a cosec theta. Right. Similarly, if we put root over of a plus x by a minus x or a minus x by a plus x, then x will be a cos theta. X will be a cos theta. Next is, in case of a minus x into b into x minus b, its root over, then x will be a cos alpha plus b sin beta, or you choose a cos beta plus b sin alpha. This is the expression and the substitution. Suitably we substitute the value and then integrate after the simplification. Right? Come to some formula of integration. Integration of dx by root over of a square minus x square, it is sin inverse x by a plus c, or it is minus cos inverse x by a plus k. Come to second bit, dx by a square plus x square. Look at, it is free from root over. Here is root over, but here is not root over. Its value is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c, or it is minus 1 by a cot inverse x by a plus k. Come to third bit, integration of dx by x into root over of x square minus a square. It is 1 by a sec inverse x by a plus c, or it is minus 1 by a cosec inverse x by a plus c. Come to fourth bit, dx by root over of x square plus a square. It is log of x plus root over of x square plus a square plus c. Fifth bit, dx by root over of x square minus a square. It is log of x plus root over of x square minus a square plus c. Next bit is dx by x square minus a square. It is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. And next is dx by a square minus x square. It is 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. These are the formula, and using this formula we derive some questions. Before going to the examples, we first prove the formula of this integration formula of these integration functions, right? Come to the proof of the first one, dx by root over of a square minus x square. Looking to the expression and substitution, you see that x will be taken as a sin theta or x will be taken as a cos theta. Dx by root over of a square minus x square. Let x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos. First we take x is equal to a sin theta. Then dx by d theta is equal to a cos theta, because a is a constant and sin theta derivative is cos theta. Then what is dx? Dx is equal to a cos theta into d theta. Dx is equal to a cos theta into d theta. Here put a cos theta into d theta divided by root over of a square minus a square sin square theta, right? In the denominator you take common a square within the root over. root over भितर हम a square को common नहीं जिबा, तापरे सजाड़ी दबा equal to integration of a cos theta d theta by root over भितर a square into 1 minus sin square theta. A cos theta into d theta. Tell me what is 1 minus sin square theta? It is cos square theta. So it will be a square cos square theta, and within the root over a square cos square theta, it will be a cos theta. Cos theta cancel, a cancel. It is integration of d theta is equal to theta plus c. What is the value of theta? Look at x is equal to a sin theta. Then sin theta is what? X by a. Then what is theta? Theta equal to sin inverse x by a. So in place of theta we write sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a plus c. In order to derive minus cos inverse x by a plus k, you take substitute x is equal to a cos theta. You can find like using that, or remember the formula sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So sin inverse x is what? Sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So here is sin inverse x by a. We write pi by 2 minus cos inverse x by a plus c, minus cos inverse x by a plus pi by 2 plus c is another constant, take it k.